Okay, so this is our manifold right here to the whole house, and we need to put a water softener on this property. So this is the main line that goes from the meter all the way back here. So we just need to tie all this up to make everything right here soft, because the water's coming out here hard. It's going to go into the water softener and then come back soft. And I want this and I want this one to be soft water. And we checked everything, we capped it, and we turned the water back on, and I ran around the house to make sure that there was no water anywhere. And lo and behold, there's no water nowhere. So we know these two lines take care of the whole house. And this is our hot side. We don't have to worry about that, because it'll go into the water heater soft and take care of our hot side. So I did this, and we're on our way to be soft water. Bye.